counties in Texas, Ellis and Kaufman. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Van Zandt County in north central Texas, Henderson County in central Texas, northern Anderson County in central Texas, until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:44 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Trinidad Lake, moving east at 45 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing golf ball-size hail. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Trinidad and Trinidad Lake around 5:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Athens and Coon Creek Lake around 6:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Lake Palestine around 6:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include New York, Moore Station, Log Cabin, Crescent Heights, Brushy Creek, Bradford, Wadark, Star Harbor, Walton, and Blackfoot. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time